favor, go ahead and crank it one more time. Okay, you can kill it. Go ahead and kill it, yeah. Yep, that 1000% is definitely barely hanging on. You can see it's almost worked itself off of there. It is on hanging off for dear life right now.
Okay.
It is on the lip in the corner of that pulley. Yeah, he was going to break down any second. Luckily, he wasn't using the AC probably, but when he ever turned on like to default windows and stuff, it probably get really bad.
We were gonna drive to Florida.
Yeah, yeah. Luckily, yeah. Well, they set up to get this done. That's really bad. And what year is this? This is the Volkswagen. 2012 or 13, he said. Is a Jetta TDI, so turbo direct injection. I believe it maybe, is it a Golf? I think it said Jetta, but I can't.
Yeah, it's a Jetta.
A Jetta, okay. It's just a turbo, it's a diesel.
I can look at the glove box, I might have a year there.
Jetta, yeah, I can check right here. It's a TDS right here, yeah. You can check right here, it'll give it to you.
Oh, okay.
Right here on the door, right down here. I want to be able to get that from my records as well. I'm gonna look it up later, what all the procedure is. But yeah, and it is a it's 02 of 14, so 2014 Jetta. And yep, that's all it is. It's probably been making a rattle sound for a while. He just never knew what it was. Yeah, but that would be it. So, and that would, because your engine rotates around, you know, like this. So that would cause, you know, you to throw a code because you're not firing at the correct order. So the firing can be a little bit off and you're dumping oil down because of that going all over the place so badly. It's dumping oil down into your engine. So hopefully it hasn't destroyed any of the other pulleys in the process. It may have, like your AC clutch looks a little funny, but it's still working, you know. I mean, I just know that's got to get done. So hopefully I can get the parts. Okay. If I can, I'll try to get it done for you ASAP because it needs to be done. I just don't know if I can get it for the holidays. I'll do my best. But in the meantime, do not drive this car. Okay. Anywhere.
That's good to know.
Until it's fixed. Yeah. All right, do me a favor. Go ahead and crank it one more time.